Look, if you have a slight addiction to carbs, especially pasta, you might want to throw this away and make your own pasta. So let's get going, shall we? Alright, so the first one we're going to make is the egg pasta dough. All you need is 2 large eggs and 1 extra egg yolk. Add a dash of olive oil and some salt. Whisk them all together, and now you're ready to make your pasta. Now dump in 200 grams of all-purpose flour and create a well in the center. Pour in your egg and start whisking while adding little by little of the flour. Now a good rule of thumb in making pasta is every 100 grams of flour, you need 1 egg. Once they're clumped up together like this, use your hand to incorporate the remains of the flour and knead the dough until it is soft and supple. Keep kneading the dough for at least 15 minutes. Don't ask why, just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
Once your 15 minute is up, wrap your dough in plastic wrap and give it a rest for at least 30 minutes or overnight in the fridge. Once it is rested, take out your dough, divide it to 4 pieces and roll it out as thinly as humanly possible. Feed it to a dough roller machine from the biggest setting and work your way down until the smallest or thinnest setting from your machine. By now, you should have a very thin pasta sheet that you can almost see your fingers through it. Now, the first one we're going to make is the spaghetti. Simply just feed your pasta sheet to the extension machine. And now, you've got homemade spaghetti. Do exactly the same process, but feed it to the tagliatelle extension to make, well, tagliatelle. For the third one, we're not going to feed it to the extension. Instead, we can cut it however we like. This time, I'm cutting it about 2 to 3 centimeter width to get something called pappardelle, like this. Another thing in making your own pasta is you could infuse different flavors to it, such as this one, a spinach dough pasta. To that, you're gonna add 100 grams of spinach to a hot medium-sized pan that have been oiled with olive oil. Stir them, add some salt, and stir them again until all the spinach are wilted, like this. And now we're going to pulverize that spinach, simply by adding 2 eggs and the spinach to a blender and blitz them. Give your blender a good shake, because why not? Then you're going to pass it through a strainer, leaving the stems and the fibrous part behind. And by the way, this is totally optional. This time we're going to use a food processor. Life is hard, so why not make things easier, right? To that, you're gonna add 200 grams of all-purpose flour and the spinach mixture and blitz them again. Now, using your spatula, you may need to scrape off the side from time to time. Keep on blitzing until a dough ball is formed, like this. Take out the dough and everything else in the food processor, then knead it to incorporate the rest of it. Now, my dough was a little sticky, so I simply just add some more flour. But on the opposite, if your dough is too dry, just add some water. And now you've got a beautiful green pasta dough. Roll it out like before until you get a thin pasta sheet. Alright, the first one I'm gonna show you is the base for stuffed pasta like ravioli, tortellini, capelletti, and many more. I will cover them in another video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay updated. The second one I'm going to show you is the pasta shapes like a ribbon called farfalle. Cut your pasta sheet with a rich pasta cutter and split them into smaller pieces, about 4 by 3, like this. And now you're gonna need the help of our Asian friend, the chopstick. Pinch the pasta from the middle position and bring it to the center. And there it is, your farfalle pasta. The last one that I'm going to show you is how to make busciate. Cut your dough into thin strips and with the help of a single chopstick, roll it sideways like this, and all you need to do is push it out. And now you have homemade busciate. There you go, your very own homemade pasta with different shapes, sizes, and flavor to your likings. That's it guys for this video. Hope you liked the video and see you next time.